Step 1. Long press time set for 2 seconds to enter the time setting function. At this time, the time part on the display will start to flash. If no operation within 15 seconds, you will exit the alarm setting. If you suddenly exit, you need to go back to the first step and re-enter the settings. Rotating the snooze will adjust the minute. Press and rotate snooze will adjust the hour. Step 2. Click the time set again and rotate snooze to select 12-hour or 24-hour for mode. Step 3. Click the time set again and rotate snooze to adjust the year. Step 4. Click the time set again to enter the date setting and press and rotate snooze to adjust the month. Rotating the snooze will adjust the date. Step 5. Click the time set to complete the setting. Clicking the time set to adjust the brightness of the LED screen. A total of 4 levels can be adjusted. If you don't want a bright light at night, you can turn off the LED screen brightness. Step 1. Long press the alarm 1 set for 2 seconds. Rotating the snooze will adjust the minute. Press and rotate snooze will adjust the hour. If no operation within 15 seconds, you will exit the alarm setting. If you suddenly exit, you need to go back to the first step and re-enter the settings. Step 2. Click the alarm 1 set and then rotate the snooze to select alarm sound. Step 3. Click alarm 1 set. Rotate snooze to adjust the alarm volume. A total of 1 to 16 levels can be adjusted. Step 4. Click alarm 1 set and rotate snooze to adjust the time when the sunrise light to turn on. You can choose between 10 and 60 minutes before the alarm ring. Step 5. Click alarm 1 set. Rotate snooze to adjust the maximum brightness of a sunrise light. Step 6. Click alarm 1 set again to complete the setting. After finishing, click alarm 1 set to select the working mode of the alarm clock. If you want to turn off the alarm when the alarm goes off, just click the alarm switch. If you don't want this alarm clock, just click the alarm switch. When the alarm clock icon disappears on the LED screen, it means that the alarm clock has been turned off for a long time. Press the snooze button to turn on the snooze function. It will turn off the light and turn off the ringtone. The sound and light will be turned on again after 9 minutes. But if there is no operation, the alarm will automatically turn off after 30 minutes. Automatic turning steps. Long press the FM button to automatically search for channels. After the automatic channel search is complete, you can adjust the channel by pressing it. Manually adjust the radio station steps. Click this button again to adjust 0.1 Hz. The value can be adjusted by the web wheel next to it. Click the music button, then click it to select a total of 7 kinds of music. The value can be adjusted by the V wheel next to it. Click sunrise button can be used as a reading light. Click again to turn off. Click color button to enter color mode. Click again to switch these colors. Click effect button to turn on. Click again to switch 4 colors combinations. The brightness of the light can be adjusted by the whip wheel next to it. Long press the snooze button to enter the sleep timer function, and rotate the snooze button to adjust the countdown time, which can be adjusted from 10 minutes to 120 minutes. You will slowly dim the light within the preset time until it's completely turned off. Any light mode can be used at this time, and you can choose from 3 sound modes: silent, music, and radio. You will turn off the light and sound at your preset time.